Properly adding Shopify products to the Google Merchant Center is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, create a Google Merchant Center account. If you don't already have a Google Merchant Center account, sign up for one at Google Merchant Center. Then link Google Merchant Center with Google Ads. Now, connect your Google Merchant Center account with your Google Ads account if you plan to run shopping ads. This can be done in the linked account section of your Google Merchant Center account. Now, set up shipping information. Then configure your shipping settings in Google Merchant Center. This is important for providing accurate shipping information to potential customers. After that, verify and claim your website. Verify and claim your website URL in Google Merchant Center to confirm ownership. So, configure tax information. Provide tax information in Google Merchant Center to comply with Google's tax requirements. And set up Google Analytics, which is completely optional. If you use Google Analytics, link your account to your Google Merchant Center for more detailed insights. Now, configure Google Merchant Center settings. So go through the settings in your Google Merchant Center account to ensure everything is configured correctly. And install Google Shopping app. This step is optional as well. Then consider installing the Google Shopping app from the Shopify App Store. This app can simplify the process of syncing your products with Google Merchant Center. Now, in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Preferences, and scroll down to Google. Enable Google Shopping and select Create a Google Shopping product feed.